In this video series, we'll be installing ROCKWOOL Cavityrock and a variety of cladding attachment systems. In this specific video, we'll feature ROCKWOOL Cavityrock installed with the Nightwall MFI system. The Nightwall MFI system rain screen attachment is a thermally isolated metal bracket fastener and GIRTS system designed to reduce thermal bridging through exterior insulation and can be installed to support vertical or horizontal GIRTS. Step 1. Measure spacing. The first step when installing any cladding attachment system is to measure and mark out the attachment spacing to make sure you fasten to the steel stud structure. Step 2. Attach support brackets. Next, install the MFI system support brackets to the backup wall at 24 inches on center, or as required by the structural engineer. Ensure that the brackets are plumb and properly spaced as you continue to install the fasteners in the remaining brackets. Step 3. Install metal GIRTS.
I can line up the sets of holes here, and they automatically line up with the set of holes down below, which allows for easy attachment. I'm going to go through that now.
Install the metal GIRTS to the brackets. Step 4. Install your temporary insulation retention fasteners to the wall at regular intervals. This is done prior to installing the permanent mechanical insulation attachments. Step 5. Install the ROCKWOOL Cavityrock insulation. Begin by fitting one side of the ROCKWOOL Cavityrock behind the unfastened leg of the GIRT. Push and turn the insulation to create a friction fit. Ensure that each board fits snug around the cladding attachments and between the GIRTS. It is important that there are no voids or gaps in the insulation in order to maintain thermal barrier continuity. We've now featured the vertical installation.
For this demonstration, I've set up a 24-inch spacing. I'm going to install 3 of the horizontal rails at 24 inches on center, just to demonstrate how that works. You can see that the attachments are slotted. You want to line that up for your middle portion of the slot. The S rails are the vertical GIRTS. They can be used without the mid rails if the cladding attachment works with this kind of vertical assembly. So this has laid it out for you. You've got drainage behind. Everything works fine.
You are now ready to install your mechanical insulation attachments and proceed with the cladding.